Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open some display that you would like to capture. Let me pick, for example, the calendar. So if you would like to show your friends that you have no plans for June 2019, just tap on power key and also on volume down key. Hold them all together for about 3 seconds, just like that. And now the screen has been captured. You can find it in your gallery, so just open the gallery. Here you've got the album named Screenshot, so open it. Open the screenshot that you've made, and now you can share it, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to with the screenshot. So this is how you're taking a screenshot in your device. You can do it whenever you want to and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.